Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to learn everything in less time. Yes, this is possible by applying a technique popularly known as Feynman's technique. First, let us look at who is this Feynman. Richard Feynman was a physicist. He received the Nobel Prize in 1965 for physics. He developed a technique popularly known as Feynman technique. If we use them correctly, we can learn about anything in less time and store that information for a very long time in our brain. So, please don't skip this video, watch it till the end. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends so that they can also learn this amazing technique. What is Feynman technique? According to Feynman, if you want to learn something, simplify it as if you are explaining it to a child who is unfamiliar with that topic. You will quickly be able to see where you are lacking the knowledge about that topic. Then go back to the material and study and simplify again. Here the goal is to learn by explaining in simple understandable language that a child can understand. If you can't simply explain and teach the concept, then you don't understand it well enough. How to apply this Feynman technique to study? It doesn't matter what subject you are studying. The Feynman technique is here to help you with 5 simple steps. Step number 1. Choose the topic that you want to learn about. In this step, first choose a topic you want to study. Step number 2. Write it out. Take a piece of paper or a notebook and write down the topic you want to study as a heading on that paper. Then write down everything you already knew about the topic in that paper. Think of a very small piece of information that you can recall about that topic and write it down. Keep this sheet with you to continue to write down what you will learn in future. Step number 3. Imagine that you are teaching this topic to a child. Explain the concept of that topic that you have already written down using your own words in simple English as possible, pretending that you are teaching it to a child, and explain it as simple as possible. Simplifying is the key in this step. Number 4. Review what you don't know. When you feel like you can't explain a topic in simple terms, then don't worry. Just go back to your notes or textbooks until you are confident enough to write down those topics in simple terms. You can explain your understanding of that topic without using complicated language. You have successfully demonstrated your knowledge of that topic. This means you have a better understanding of that topic. Now you can go to step number 5. Step number 5. Simplify your explanation and create analogy. If you have successfully completed the above 4 steps, then you can continue the step number 5. If you don't, just go back and do the steps from 1 to 4 properly, then only come to step number 5. This step you have already successfully completed the 4 steps, but still sometimes you feel you are stuck because it is impossible for explaining some complex terms to a child in a simple language. For solving this, you can use the help of analogy. It helps to understand things clearly and also help us to visualize the things. It will help you to store that knowledge for a long time in your brain. For example, if you are explaining a flow of current to a child, the child can't understand it because we can't able to see the flow of current in a wire. So to explain it simply to a child, you can use the analogy of flow of water in a canal. For example, you can say that the flow of current in a wire is like a flow of water in a canal. So you can use this kind of analogies in a very complex terms that you come across and make it as simple as possible. If you successfully completed the above 5 steps, congratulations, you have successfully learned that topic for a long time. These 5 steps are so simple, you can easily apply for any subject. Topics for study in school, you can apply it for learning everything you want to learn in your life. These 5 steps seems to be simple and childish for you, but if you apply this technique, you can see how effectively you can remember things and study in less time. Now the summary. Studying is supposed to be fun, but lot of times it is difficult for students to learn because the lack of understanding in that topic. A lot of people afraid of some subjects because no one has taken enough effort to teach them properly. Using this technique, you can learn everything by yourself. Apply this technique and study well. Thank you for watching this video.